Does computer technology make you want to pull your hair out? Are you overwhelmed with all the technical requirements to connect your home or office computers together? Well, look no further than Tehillah Technology Consulting. We focus on providing affordable computer solutions for residential, home office, and small business needs. Whether it's a single computer system or a network of multiple computers, Tehillah Technology Consulting has budget-friendly solutions. For a free initial consultation, please visit our website at tehillahtechnology.com or call us toll-free at 877-208-5938.